How to fix Windows 11 date and time wrong? For this first step, restore the Windows Time Services, search for run and type the following text: services.msc. Click it. The services page will be open. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Windows Time. Click it and right click Properties. Make sure the startup type it should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. If it stop means you need to start it and make sure it. After completing, you need to click apply and OK. And one more time, you need to right click and restart it. Once complete after, close it and come to next step. Turn on automatic date and time. For this, open up settings. Click it. Click date and time. In this, you have seen the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. It should be in enable mode. Windows will automatically detect and set correct date and time if it's enabled means. Enable it and come to next step. Synchronize the clock manually. For this, click settings. Click time and language. Click date and time. Scroll down and you have seen the synchronize now setting is there. Below the additional settings, you need to click it. Once the synchronization is complete after, you need to close it and restart your device. Thank you.